Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Mentimeter for a quiz. The first thing you want to do once on Mentimeter.com, you're going to create an account if you don't have one as yet. So you're going to tap on Get Started, it's free. And from there, you can sign up with your email address. After you have signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, I want you to tap right where you see New Menti. You're going to tap on the arrow and you're going to select New Quiz. After selecting New Quiz, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you have a few options. You can either choose to create a blank quiz or you can start with one of their templates. For this example, we're going to be selecting blank. After selecting blank, we're going to tap on Start from Scratch. Then from there, you can create your first page. So for example, my first page will be a heading. So I'll select heading. After selecting heading, you can go over to the right hand column and you can type in the text right here. So for example, I'll type in welcome to my quiz. After doing that, you can scroll down, and if it is a case that you would like to add an image, you can do that. So you could tap on click to add an image, and from there you could upload an image if you want. So I'll upload an image real quick. So you can upload a random image. Let's say for example's sake, I were to upload this image right here. So I'll just upload this image for example's sake. Let me find an image. Let's say this one, and I'll tap on open. Then I'll tap on save. And you can see right there, the image has now been added. After the image has been added, you can choose whether you like to add the full image, as you can see right there, or you'd like to add it side by side. You can see there are different options that you can choose from where you would like to place the image. So let's say for example, I would like to place the image side by left. I'll select that right there and you can see how it looks. Once you're finished creating your first page, all you need to do now is tap on New Slide in the top left hand corner. Then you can choose the type of questions that you would like to add. So for example, if you would like to add multiple choice, you can select multiple choice. After doing that, you can type out your multiple choice question by tapping right where you see Ask Your Question. So for example, I could type in what day comes after Sunday. Let's do that real quick. Then after doing that, you can tap right where you see the suggestions, where you see option 1, option 2. Then you can type in your suggested answers right here. So for example, I could type in Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Then after doing that, if you like to choose the correct answer, you can do that. You can toggle on choose correct answer, and then you can select the answer that would be correct. If you like to add an image, you can also do that. And you can change the visualization type from being a bar. You can change it to, for example, donut. You can change it to pie. You can also change it to dots. So you can select whichever one of these options you want. Keep in mind, if you would like to change the color of the page, you can do that by tapping on themes from the right hand column. You could change it right there, as you can see, so you can customize it to your liking. Once you're finished, you can go over to the top left hand corner once more, tap on New Slide, and from there you can add different type of questions. So whether you like to add pin an image, or you like to add select an answer right there, or you like to scroll down and you like to add some text below it, or a paragraph or so on, you can see that there are numerous options that you can choose from. Once you're finished adding your questions, what I want you to do next, you're going to decide whether you like to present it or you like to share it as a survey. So you have two options. You're going to tap on the settings cog in the top left hand corner. You can select presentation or you can select survey, and from there you could share it. So there are two different options that you can choose from. Let's say for this example's sake, I'll just select presentation. So let me change that back. After selecting presentation, If we were to go over to the top right hand corner, I can tap on preview right here and you'll be able to see how it looks. So this is how it will look at the moment. So you can see it right there. And then once they have selected the answer, they'll tap on submit. And that's it. You can see, I'll see a result right there. So I'll close this. And to present it, all you need to do now is tap on present in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on present, you will be redirected to this page and you can start your presentation. So this will be our first page and you could give your opening remarks. Then you'll tap in the bottom left hand corner to go to the next slide. Then you can press enter to show the correct answer since you are doing a presentation. And then you'll see the correct answer right there. Then you could go to the next slide and that's it. After doing that, you'll simply tap on escape in the top left hand corner. And if you would like to share it, you can tap on share in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you can copy the participation code and you can share it, or you can download the QR code. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button